Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Denim is a strong and stylish fabric, not just for jeans but also perfect for creative crafts. Old jeans can be reused to make beautiful and useful items for your home. This is a smart way to save money and reduce waste while showing your creativity. You can make a wall pocket rack by cutting pockets from old jeans and stitching them into a cloth for board. Hang it on the wall to store small items like chargers, combs, or makeup. It helps keep your space clean and organized. A denim sewing machine cover is very useful and durable. It protects your machine from dust and damage. You can also add extra pockets to keep threads and tools in one place, making your work easier. It's a very beautiful denim rug designs. A denim rug can be made by joining small pieces or strips to denim together. It looks modern and is very strong. You can place it in your room or kitchen to add a stylish touch. This is the most beautiful table cover ideas in this video. Denim table or mobile covers are simple and trendy. Add a soft inner layer, protect your device from scratches. It is easy to stitch and gives a neat handmade look. Kitchen organizer and other crafts. You can create a hanging kitchen organizers with denim to hold spoons and small tools. Other ideas include denim bags, pouches, and bottle holders. These items are strong, reusable, and very practical for daily use. Always use a strong needle and slow stitching speed. When working with denim, use sharp scissors for clean cuts and keep tools away from children. Denim crafts are a great way to reuse old cloth and create something useful. So start today and turn your old jeans into amazing crafts. Wall pocket you can make a wall pocket rack. Use old denim pockets. Cut the pockets from jeans and stitch them on a piece of cloth or board. Hang it on the wall and use it to store small items like combs, chargers, or makeup. It keeps your room neat and organized. A denim sewing machine. It's a very amazing sewing machine cover and it's very useful, and denim is thick so it protects your machine from dust. You can also add pockets to keep threads, scissors, and small tools. It's a very beautiful denim rug. You can make a rug by joining small strips of denim. It looks very stylish and it is very strong. You can use it in your room or kitchen. Table cover is very amazing and very creative. A denim table or mobile cover is a trendy idea. Add a soft cloth inside to protect your device from stretch. It is easy to make with simple stitching like this. Hanging kitchen organizer. Denim kitchen organizers are very helpful. You can hang them and store spoons, knives, or small kitchen items. It saves space and keeps everything in place. Denim bags and pouches. Denim bags and pouches are very popular. They are strong and perfect for daily use. You can design them in your own style. Bottle holders. You can also make a denim bottle holder. It is great for carrying water bottles while traveling or going outside. Always use a strong needle when sewing denim because the fabric is thick. Keep your machine speed slow for better stitching. Use sharp scissors for clean cutting. Keep tools away from children for safety. Denim crafts are a great way to show creativity. Do not throw away old jeans. Reuse them in a smart way and make useful items for your home. So start today, take your old jeans and turn them into amazing denim crafts. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Denim is a strong and a stylish fabric, not just for jeans but also perfect for creative crafts. Old jeans can be reused to make beautiful and useful items for your home. This is a smart way to save money and reduce waste while showing your creativity. All ideas is very creative, and do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Recycling denim is a great way to save money while creating something valuable. And you can also sell your handmade denim bags and earn income from your creativity. Always use strong stitching so your bag can carry weight easily. Adding zippers or buttons will increase the usability of your bags. All ideas is very amazing and very creative. Do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a very beautiful, most demanding articles. Latest and very creative ideas. So keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Hope you like all ideas and creative collection. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Hope you like all ideas and collection. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Most beautiful, most demanding, different collection and different ideas. आई होप कि आपको ऑल आइडियाज़ बहुत ही पसंद आएंगे. Thank you so much and thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.